Hey, Jubilee Oil Tribe. Oh, isn't it great when you go live and then just realize really a mess? Hey, it's Saturday, right? I hope everyone has been outside and is outside enjoying this amazing day. I was outside playing with Lennon, and when I came in, I got my Young Living box, and it's super exciting. And this order I've been really excited about, and I wanted to unbox with you guys because I've been doing Essential Rewards for, over 4 years now. Obviously, you guys know I love Young Living. Hey Karen, I love the toxin-free lifestyle. It's changed my health, so I'm all in when it comes to ordering every month. And I've had wish list items on my list of things I want for years, and I finally got to get a few of them this month. So, when you fall in love with certain products, you need to restock those every month, and sometimes you just can't fit in budget-wise any new stuff. So I try and get new stuff when I can. But so this month, you guys, if you unbox with me frequently, you know that I usually get Ninja Red. And this month, I didn't get my Ninja Red, so I could get in some other things. And I still had one bottle left, so I'm going to have to survive this month on one bottle and do every other day or something like that. But let's get started unboxing my order. So the first thing I got, not too exciting, but I got 2 new product guides. And I get these a lot because a lot of my friends want to see what Young Living has to offer, and they love to look through a product guide in their hand instead of, online. It's just harder to sit there. And if you have never looked through a product guide, you got one with your kit, but you should order one. Don't look up catalog, look up product guide in the virtual office and add one to your order, because a lot of people don't know that Young Living is so much more than oils. You guys, they have everything you would need for every area of your home. So skincare, hair care, supplements, for your kids, for your baby, even some food stuff. They've got some awesome icorn. So I got 2 product guides, but mostly just because I'm always giving these away because people want to look at stuff. The next thing I got, okay, so this was for a friend. I got Essential Zymes 4 for a friend, and these are just enzymes. She had her gallbladder removed and is really struggling just with how she's feeling and just her digestion system and, that sort of stuff. And she is on a couple forums with other people who don't have gallbladders, and a lot of them have been recommending this as well as a few other Young Living products. And so she reached out to me and asked me if I would order it for her, and hoping and praying that it works good for her, because I know she's got a few other things that she wants to try. But really, everyone needs enzymes, and so everyone can benefit. God made our food with enzymes in it, like our fruits and veggies and meat and all those things. But unfortunately, when food is processed, the enzymes usually are broken down. And enzymes are what help us digest our food and get the nutrients out of it. So taking an enzyme just helps you to get more of the nutrients, more of the vitamins and all that cool stuff out of what you eat. But it also helps with digestion, and a lot of us you don't have enzymes in your body to break down certain foods. So when you don't have those, sometimes you can develop allergies or just digestive issues or excess gas or all kinds of crazy things. So enzymes, awesome. That was for a friend. Next, thieves cleaner, you guys. My bottle was low, and you can't go without thieves cleaner. Am I right? Who loves thieves cleaner? So if you've never used it before, you just a capful in a spray bottle with water, and you've got an all-purpose cleaner that's toxin-free. No poison control label, because it's all plant-based and super duper safe, but super duper effective. So if you have never done it, go to YouTube and YouTube search Thieves versus Raw Chicken and check it out. It's good stuff. And it smells like Christmas. All right, I needed more Savvy mascara. I love this mascara, you guys. I always was a waterproof mascara girl before this, and I had never found a natural one that didn't run all over my face all the time. And granted, I don't wear makeup when I exercise And if I go swimming, I know that it's not waterproof. So I know that, but I know that this does not run very much on me personally, and I just love it. It's great. When I first got my first tube of it, though, when I first put it on, it seemed clumpy. And I think that was just because there was so much on the brush. And so I just had to like take the excess off the brush. And ever since then, it's been great and I love it. So if for some reason you tried it and you felt like it was like too chunky, maybe try and get the excess off the brush. Also love to add a drop of lavender to my mascara. So I was almost out and wanted to restock that. This is my favorite, you guys. Boswellia Wrinkle Cream. I bought a jar of this, I want to say 2 years ago after going to beauty school. And my skin is super sensitive, and I had never found a moisturizer that I could put on that didn't make my skin like burn and feel super red, or get super red and burn and not feel good. And when I tried, basically I tried all the moisturizers at beauty school and none of them did that to my skin. But this was the one that I loved the best. And they said at beauty school that it shouldn't be called wrinkle cream because it's really a moisturizer for all skin types. But I just love this stuff. And my jar from 2 years ago, I finally just used. And I'm not someone who puts moisturizer on every single day, but I at least moisturize at night, probably 4 nights out of 7. So that's how long it lasted me. And you only need a tiny bit, and it smells amazing. So if you've never tried the Boswellia Wrinkle Cream, highly recommend that, and I needed to restock it. So this is my new to me wish list item that I am so excited to try. I tried it at beauty school and it feels amazing on your skin. The Art Renewal Serum. And I know Jenny and a few other people are constantly raving about how this transforms your skin. You guys, Young Living, I don't have any makeup on today. Young Living has completely cleared up my skin and made it so much better than it's ever been. But I still have scarring and it's not perfect. So I'm just curious and hopeful that if it can get better, that this might be the thing that could do it. But I'm already so super pleased with my skin and how Young Living has transformed it to be clear. And I think that has to do with what you're eating. I think it has to do with how many toxins you're putting on your body because your skin is always trying to detox you. Probably has to do with your hormones, what kind of makeup you're wearing and skincare you're using, and whether or not it's like bogging down your skin and clogging your skin, or whether it's natural and your skin can breathe. And so I think there's probably a lot of components to why my skin cleared up, but I give Young Living so much credit for it because it's been so different in the last couple of years since I switched to Young Living skincare and makeup. But so excited to try this Art Renewal Serum. If you've used it, you should comment what you think about it and how you feel about it. Okay, so I ordered some Sleek tea. I never have ordered this before, and I've tried it. Liz Van Nice had it, and I tried it at her house, and I know it tastes good. And I had a couple members who were kind of curious about the taste, so I thought, well, I should get it so I can give them a sample so they can try it. Hey, Jenny, because, ooh, Karen, you love the art products. Yay, I'm so excited to try it. But I wanted to be able to share samples because people don't want to order something if they, especially tea. If you're a tea drinker, you want to know you like the tea before you spend a good amount of money on it. But Sleek is supposed to be good for just helping with appetite control, hunger, those kind of things. So, I need that too. So I'm excited to try it. But I got this more so I could share with a few members and just so I could experience it. I think sometimes it's good, especially people like me who are sharing Young Living, to know most of the products and to try new ones for fun, right? All right, the last thing I ordered, and then the rest will be free. The last 2 things I ordered. If you don't know and you don't follow me because I post about it, I've been exercising finally. I did Weight Watchers for a year. I'm still doing Weight Watchers, and I lost some weight, but I never added in exercise except for like maybe walking occasionally. And now, I will let you know, Jenny, on the Sleek. I've tried the oil that you add to water. Love that. And I've tried the capsules, the citrus capsules, and I've liked that. And I've tried the shakes, and I like that. But when I did it all, I was also doing Weight Watchers. So I had success, but I was watching what I ate and tracking too. So little side tangent on sleek products, but I know they are supposed to be really good for helping. And I think they're a great addition to like when you're trying to tackle eating healthy and weight loss. But okay, so I finally started exercising, and I've been running, and my legs are like the worst part of my body. I mean, I'm grateful that God gave me legs at work, but I have spider veins and cellulite, and just, you know, they're just not super pretty at all. And so I've ordered this Cellulite Magic before and used it. I've read on blogs and different places that if you add a bottle of grapefruit to it, that grapefruit helps to break down fat and detox and that kind of thing. So just because I'm actually giving it a good effort to like get into shape, I thought, why not add this to my routine? And I'm not a fool to think that I'm going to have, you know, perfect legs just from putting some kind of oil on my legs. But I think that if anything can help with the appearance, why not try? And that's what I'm going to do. So I'm assuming with daily application and being consistent that it's at least going to look better than without. But the Cellulite Magic massage oil has a bunch of essential oils in it that are really good for detox and for helping the skin to appear smoother. And then I'm going to try adding my bottle of grapefruit. And I don't know that I'm going to add the whole bottle. The blogs that I read, I think, said to add the whole bottle. I might add half because I like grapefruit in my water and things too. So I might want it, and my diffuser. So that was the last thing I ordered, and I'm excited to add that to my wellness routine. So the rest of the things I received were my freebies. And because I've been on Essential Rewards for, like I said, almost 4 years, I earned 25% back. So I want to say it was like $80 in points, free product points this month, which I already spent. And I ordered myself a Transformation Essential Oil Blend, which is one of my favorite oil blends that I had ran out of, and some Bath and Body Gel. So nice to be able to use your points for free products. But I got a peppermint cedarwood bar of soap for free. This stuff is amazing. If you've never tried Young Living soap, I did a little video on this in here. I am a huge fan of their soap, and I make soap. I make homemade from scratch soap with herbs and oils and all the natural stuff and lye. And I know how much work goes into soap making and how much essential oil you need to make it smell good. Their soaps smell amazing. The bars are nice and hard. They last a long time. They lather good. But this was free this month. Peppermint cedarwood soap. Ninja Nitro is free this month. I'm excited about these, you guys. I've had this before. This is great for people who exercise and need a natural energy boost. It's also great for like cognitive, if you just need focus. And I've always used it just being like a busy mom or a stressed mom, just on a day that you feel sluggish. I've taken these. They're in a little tube. If you've never had them, they were free this month. I think with a 300 PV order. They're in a little tube like this, and they're not gel. A lot of people think they're like gel because they think a lot of running things like this, when you run in sports, they come in like a gel. This is a liquid. And I'm excited now because I have started running. So I'm like, ooh, this will be great to try, you know, mid-run when I'm feeling a little weak, which, trust me, I've been feeling. Starting to run is no joke. I give credit to all you runners in this group. But anyway, that was free. But it supports cognitive fitness. It has mineral and vitamin dietary supplement. It tastes pretty good. I like them, but you just shoot it in your mouth. A lot of people add it to their Ninja Red, but it gives you a little boost, helps you get through the day. And I'm assuming now that I'm working out that it's going to give me a little energy, extra energy. And then they sent really cute little socks that say, if you can read this, I think it says, if you can read this, it just says, yeah, no. One sock says, if you can read this. And then the other one says, bring me my Ninja Nitro. And I got a little email because I think they printed them upside down. I think they should be, you know, where you could read them with your feet up. So they're sending me a new pair. But that was one of the freebies too. Kind of cute when you can get something from Young Living that they don't sell. So I'm excited about those. And then 3 free oils this month. A 15 milliliter of citronella, which is always amazing to have during the summer. I mean, it helps get the bugs away, right? Helps get the bugs away. Put it on, add it to other oils like Palo Santo, which is good for ticks, peppermint, lemongrass, tea tree. I'm trying to think of some of the other ones that are good for outdoor sprays. I make a natural bug spray, and I've used Young Living's, which has also got tons of essential oils in it, like citronella, and they work really good for me. So 15 milliliter of lime. You guys, if you haven't tried lime, it's such a reasonably priced oil, and it's so good in the diffuser. You can add it to water. You can add it to desserts. Free this month with Essential, or I think it's Essential Rewards order. I don't remember which ones are the promos, but I know all these were free. I did not order these, and Young Living is so generous. They send you a bonus stuff when you order big orders. And then Northern Lights Black Spruce. This is one of my all-time favorite oils as well. Smells so good with orange in the diffuser. It's very grounding and just a great emotional support oil. And it smells like Christmas to me. So it's a great oil to have in the fall, winter, around holiday time. That was my order, you guys. I'm super excited to try some of this new stuff and just restock some of the stuff that I had. I love that Young Living. Ooh, Jenny, I didn't see your comment about rubbing. Yeah, grapefruit. You'll have to comment below, Jenny. Tell me what you think of using grapefruit for your problem areas. See, last time I got this, I just used it and I hadn't read about adding grapefruit. So I'm excited just to add that and try. Sorry, I was just reading my comments, but I love having my natural options for all my areas of life. And you guys, you know what I love most? I love not having to go to 3 or 4 different natural health food stores or Target or Walmart or whatever to find my products. I'm a busy lady and I don't got time for that. So really nice to just have my beauty products, my hair products, my supplements, all just come to my door, and I can switch it up every month, and I get rewarded with all these awesome bonuses and freebies. So if you've never tried Essential Rewards, guys, I call it my monthly wellness box, and that's what it is. I just get the stuff I need, I switch it up every month, and I get awesome freebies along the way. So have a wonderful day. Enjoy the sunshine. Bye, guys.